Hey guys, welcome to Math Tech. Today we'll be learning how to check returned orders in Temu, and now let's dive right in. Now to check your returned orders in Temu, first open up your Temu app on your phone. After opening your Temu app, guys, on this interface at the bottom of the screen you can see a bunch of options. Tap on the U button at the bottom middle section of the screen and you land on this interface, and you can see the second option where it says your orders just below the messages. Tap on the option that says your orders just below the messages and you will be over here where at the top of the screen you can see currently we are on the all orders button over here, but when we slide it at the right side or the end of the right side, you can see there is the returns option available for us. And when you tap on the returns option or the returns button, we will be on this panel where all of our return goods to Temu will be over here or will be listed out over here. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to view your returned orders in Temu. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.